Hello learners, in the chapter of some basic concepts, some basic principles and techniques of organic chemistry, we have discussed the basic things in that what are functional groups, how to name a compound, what are the rules which we use to follow to name a compound, what are isomers, what are the different types of reactions we come across, all the basic things and terms we have discussed there. Now is the time to apply those things to see how we apply all those basic things in the organic chemistry. For this, now we are going to start with hydrocarbons. As the name is indicating, hydrocarbon means compounds made up of carbon and hydrogen. वो compounds जो कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन के मिलने से बनते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. And also we know that carbon, because of its small size and unique properties, it is versatile in nature. ये बहुत सारे एटम्स के साथ कंबाइन करके अलग अलग तरह के मॉलिक्यूल्स बना लेता है और it can form straight chains, branch chains and even cyclic structures. It can form multiple bonds. तो इतनी सारी unique properties होने की वजह से it is the most abundant and present in almost everything. So this is what here is, what hydrocarbons are. These are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen. On the basis of the types of bonds which are present between them, we classify them as saturated, unsaturated and aromatic hydrocarbons. First of all, according to the name, saturated hydrocarbon means वो hydrocarbons, carbon और hydrogen के वो compounds जो bond बनाने के बाद complete है, means we cannot add anything to it, क्योंकि we know the meaning of the term saturated means in which no more substance can be added. इसका मतलब कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन जब आपस में मिलकर बॉन्ड बना रहे हैं तो उस मॉलिक्यूल में हर एटम उतने बॉन्ड हर एटम ने उतने बॉन्ड बनाए हैं जितने मैक्सिमम टेंडेंसी है उस एटम की बनाने की. एंड दैट कैटेगरी which belongs to this saturated hydrocarbons is alkanes, whose general formula is CnH2n plus 2. For example, methane. For example, ethane, C2H6. Coming to unsaturated, as the name is indicating, unsaturated means they have the capacity to add something to them. अब इनके बीच में कुछ ऐड करने की टेंडेंसी है. इसका मतलब कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन में आपस में जो बॉन्ड्स बने हैं दे आर देयर बट स्टिल दे हैव द कैपेसिटी कि अगर हम कोई चीज़ उसमें ऐड करें तो कोई बॉन्ड उसमें से टूट जाएगा और ऐड की हुई चीज़ को अपने साथ एडजस्ट कर लेगा, अपने साथ जोड़ लेगा. अब इस कैटेगरी में हमारे पास इस टाइप में दो कैटेगरीज आती हैं, एल्कीन्स एंड एल्काइन्स. वी नो रिगार्डिंग एल्कीन्स, एल्कीन्स क्या है? द कंपाउंड्स इन विच एटलीस्ट वन डबल बॉन्ड इज देयर बिटवीन टू कार्बन एटम्स. एंड इन केस ऑफ एल्काइन्स बिटवीन टू कार्बन एटम्स एटलीस्ट वन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड शुड बी देयर. ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं लेकिन कम से कम एक जगह पर डबल बॉन्ड होना चाहिए, तब हम उसे एल्कीन कहेंगे, और अगर एक जगह पर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा तब हम उसे एल्काइन कहेंगे. जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एल्कीन्स इज CnH2n and general formula for alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. Coming to the third type of hydrocarbons, that is aromatic hydrocarbons. What aromatic hydrocarbons are? These are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen in which at least one cyclic ring should be there with alternate single and double bond. Simple words में हम कह सकते हैं कि कम से कम एक बेंजीन रिंग उसमें होनी चाहिए. Then we term it as aromatic hydrocarbons. So on the basis of types of bonds, saturated में सभी bonds, कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन में सभी bonds सिंगल बॉन्ड होंगे. एंड अनसैचुरेटेड में दो कैटेगरीज है, एल्कीन्स एंड एल्काइन्स. एल्कीन्स में एटलीस्ट वन डबल बॉन्ड दो कार्बन एटम्स के बीच में होना चाहिए. एल्काइन्स में एटलीस्ट वन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड दो कार्बन एटम्स के बीच में होना चाहिए. एंड इन केस ऑफ एरोमेटिक बेंजीन रिंग शुड बी देयर, एटलीस्ट वन बेंजीन रिंग शुड बी देयर. सो दिस इज द वे टू क्लासिफाई देम ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द bonds present between them. Next is क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कार्बन. अब कार्बन कितनी तरह के होते हैं? प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शरी एंड क्वार्टरनरी. प्राइमरी के लिए हम क्या कहेंगे कि एक गिवन कार्बन के साथ अगर कोई कार्बन नहीं लगा या एक कार्बन लगा है तब हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? प्राइमरी कार्बन. अगर एक गिवन कार्बन के साथ दो कार्बन अटैच्ड है then it is known as secondary carbon. If on three sides the carbon is attached further with three other carbon atoms then it is tertiary, and if on the four sides it is attached with four other carbon atoms then this one is the quaternary. This is the tertiary, this is secondary and this is primary. Now in case of primary, या तो एक कार्बन लगा हो या कोई भी नहीं होगा, then this carbon is termed as primary. If this carbon is attached to two carbon atoms, then it is secondary. If it is attached to three carbon atoms, then it is tertiary. And if it is attached to four carbon atoms on all the four sides, then it is termed as quaternary carbon. Now after this, starting with specifically with the alkanes first of all, we have done the general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, and on the basis of it we have done the example also. The simplest alkane is methane, then the second member is ethane. अगर हम यहाँ n की वैल्यू 1 डाल दें तो C1H4, the first member is methane, second member is ethane. This all we have done: ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane and so on. These all come under the category of alkanes. Now these alkanes, they exist in two types: open chain and alicyclic. Open chain, for example, I have taken example of N-butane, means normal butane. In case of normal butane, four carbon atoms and rest of the valences are satisfied with the hydrogen atoms. But in the case of alicyclic, अगर इसी का example लें तो in case of alicyclic, what do we draw in this form? Four carbon atoms in the cyclic form and the rest of the valences they are satisfied with the hydrogens. और इसी का हम bond line structure बनाए तो this is the bond line structure for butane. तो यहाँ हम क्या कहेंगे? N-butane open chain structure में, alicyclic में cyclobutane. इसका नेम क्या हो जाएगा? Because it is in the form of cycle, so we name it as cyclobutane. Moreover, there will be a little bit difference in the molecular formula of this and this. इसका molecular formula देखें तो it is C4H10, it is C4H8. तो इसके molecular formula की resemblance alkene जैसी हो जाएगी, but we call it alicyclic saturated hydrocarbon because all the carbon atoms are linked with single bond. Next, coming to isomerism in alkanes. Alkanes, as we know that all the carbon atoms they are linked by the single bond. For example, if we take the example of hydrocarbon having 5 carbon atoms in the parent chain, its name will be N-pentane. We can draw it like this also कि हम पेरेंट चेन में 4 कार्बन एटम्स रख के एक कार्बन को यहाँ से डिटैच करके इस कार्बन पर लगा दें, then what do we get? 2-methyl butane or isopentane. This we have done in the basic organic chemistry part, that iso word is used, iso term is used if substituent is attached on the second carbon, terminal के next वाले कार्बन के साथ अगर एक substituent लगा then it is termed as iso, and if 2 substituents are attached then it is termed as neo. And why pentane? Because overall 5 carbon atoms are there, pent for that and ane is for the single bond. And its IUPAC name is 2-methyl-butane, second position for methyl group, and parent chain में 4 carbon atoms are but and all are attached with single bond, so its name is 2-methyl-butane. Now this type of isomerism in which there is a difference in the chain of the molecule, molecular formula is the same, there is a difference in the length of the chain, it shows chain isomerism, or basically alkanes they show chain isomerism only. We did different types of isomerisms, but alkanes show chain isomerism only. So here we have discussed just the simple introduction and the repetition of alkanes. In the next part, we are going to discuss alkanes in detail, their preparation and properties, and rest of the hydrocarbons also. Thank you.